Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. And if you're returning, thank you so much for the love and support. Pheto delivers emotional tribute at Chweneyagae's memorial service. In an emotional address, Pheto reflected on the profound impact Chweneyagae had in her life and career, recalling their shared journey during the making of the 2005 Oscar-winning film Tsotsi.
Presley was more than a colleague. He was part of my beginning. And somehow, the end of a beautiful full circle moment in my career. We worked together on my very first film, Tsotsi. We were just kids back then. Young, hungry, and full of dreams even we couldn't articulate. And yet, there he was, carrying the weight of that story with a quiet intensity that left everyone breathless. His brilliance catapulted my career into unimaginable heights. I don't say that lightly, but being part of Tsotsi opened doors that I didn't know existed. And almost 2 decades later, I had the honor of working with him again on Inamba Namba Josie Gold, this time as a director trainee, and once again, he was the lead. Still powerful, still generous, and still utterly magnetic. Presley made history. He made us proud, and he made us laugh. I'll never forget during the Tsotsi Oscar press tour, a journalist asked if he'd consider changing his name to make it easy for Hollywood. And without missing a beat, he said, if Hollywood can say Arnold Schwarzenegger, they can say Presley Chweneyagae. And if they can say tsunami, they can say Tsotsi. That was Presley, sharp, unapologetic, and always representing where he came from, with pride. He was our friend, he was our giant, and our golden thread, steering Sakomaf Town. Robala ka kgotso, Presley, you broke my heart.
Pheto's tributes resonate deeply with attendees, underscoring the lasting influence Chweneyagae had on South Africa's film industry and the personal lives of around him. Thabiso Ramotshela was visibly overcome with grief as he recalled his connection with Chweneyagae. Thabiso's tribute reflect not only on professional bond they shared on screen, but also the personal mentorship and friendship that profoundly shaped his life and career.
Thabiso Ramotshela, I played Presley Chweneyagae's son on the river. Yeah, I did. Man, I miss him so much. I remember the first time I got the call. It was so hard for the person to tell me, like, yo, bro, like, Ota Preso. I'm like, what's up? It's like, what do you mean? We the guy. It's like, bro, he's dead. I feel like it's so unfair. It hurts so much. Because as much as not my father, he's my dad, man. That man raised me. That man raised me. He took care of me. When things got hard on sets, on Youngins or Blood Legacy, he would call me, make sure that I'm okay. He'd be like, boy, I know I don't express myself a lot, but I got you. I got you, and I want you to know that I am going to be here, right here, with you 24/7. For those that have experienced that press on set, I got to be a fanga nazai child. I got not a fangy, nice na, tamen nice. You know, I was here with Sis Matebo. And just like see her in the eyes for the first time after such a long time, it's like, man, God, you could have just given us at least 2 more seasons with him, 3 more. This is all I have to say, Papa. A leader has fallen. We all gathered here to celebrate the life of the leader during these difficult times. I've worked with Papa for 4 to 5 years, from the age of 16. To tell the truth, the thought of me not being able to see him ever again, or appear on my TV screens, or even call me, or even bump into him at random places, my heart sinks. Death is so cruel. Sad thing about death is, it is so unpredictable. He was full of life. Every time I see your name on scripts, I used to laugh because I knew it was going to be a good day. As much as a lead has fallen, a legend was born. One that brought an Oscar award to South Africa. One that gave me a reason to continue acting. The reason why I'm so hard on myself is because of that man, because all I wanted was his approval at my work. And to hear from other people right after you did that you admired me, you loved me, you watched me, you scrutinized every move I made. Presley, I miss you so much. I love you so much, Papa. Until we see each other again. Thank you guys so much as well for supporting all of us.
His word serves as a testament to Chweneyagae's influence as both a colleague and a father figure during their time working together. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for now. Until we meet in my next video.